Hey guys, what's up? My name is Daniel and welcome to DLM Model Lifestyle. Now, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell so that you won't miss anything new. Now, this is a video request. Some of you guys asked me, hey Daniel, I got a problem with acne and pimples and please help me out and just tell me how to get rid of it. So, this video, I'm gonna tell you 13 tips to get rid of acne and pimples. So, let's get into the video. Alright, now I used to have acne and it was a huge problem for me, especially in my teenage years. Oh man, acne is evil. They steal your confidence, you know, sometimes they're not there and then they pop up just out of nowhere. They're just there and then they disappear again, you know, and just when you get your confidence back up and you go to a special event, boom, they're there again. And sometimes they just want to stick around for a long time. So getting pimples is normal, yes, but there are ways to control it. So I'm gonna give you guys 13 tips to get rid of acne and pimples. The first step is stick to a great skincare routine. If you haven't started a skincare routine yet, start right now. It is so important, guys, to have a consistent skincare routine. Now there's a lot of bad tips and good tips out there, but the biggest reason that you have acne and pimples is because of those bacteria under your skin's surface. Now when you look at your skin, you have all these small holes in them, right? And they need to kind of breathe. If you have any dirt or oil or dead skin cells in there, then yes, the chances are that you might get some pimples. So to fix that, you need to have a good basic skincare routine and you gotta stick to it. Because it does take consistency and patience to improve your skin. We all have different skin types, right? But a good skincare routine will improve your skin over time. Now there's a few basic steps that you need to follow in your skincare routine. Number 1, wash your face 2 times a day. Number 2, exfoliate twice a week to get rid of those dead skin cells. And number 3, moisturize your skin twice a day, in the morning and also before you go to bed. So what are the best products for your skincare routine? Well, there are a lot of products out there, right? And so everybody's face is a little bit different and their genes are different. But for me, I love Paula's Choice PC for Men. They are really good. That's my first option. Second option, you can have a look at Tiege and Henley. They're really good as well. And then if you have a low budget, you can try out the products from L'Oreal Men. Now I'll add the links of all the products in the video description down below so you can have a look at them and do your own research as well. Now let's move on. And then sleep. You gotta sleep more consistently because acne breakouts and other skin anomalies are common byproducts of sleep deprivation. So if you sleep between 6 and 8 hours a day, it should be fine. And then get the right supplements, probiotics, zinc, and more antioxidants. All of these will really help you to fight acne. Now, research shows that there are 2 superstar ingredients that reduces acne. They are benzoyl peroxide and also salicylic acid. So if you use products with these ingredients in them, then it will really help you to take care of the acne and pimples. But just be careful and check out what other ingredients is also in the product before you just go ahead and buy it. That's why I love Paula's Choice products. They have this clear range where they build their product range around these 2 ingredients. They have regular strength products and then they also created extra strength products for those really stubborn acne. Another good tip is to wash your pillowcase more often. There's a lot of people that only showers in the morning, but that means you've been going on your day, getting a lot of dirt on your face, and then you go to bed on the same pillowcase every night. That's terrible. So wash your pillowcase every now and then. It's also better if you take a shower at nighttime as well. Stop scrubbing your face too hard and too much. It will irritate your skin and it will make things a lot worse. Just wash it gently, and when you dry your face, just tap it gently as well. eat the right kinds of food. Yes, you've heard that saying that says you are what you eat, right? Well, it is true. You gotta stay away from all kinds of sugar. It is not only bad for your health and causes a lot of diseases, and it also makes you fat, but it is also bad for your face. Because sugar feeds yeast, and yeast feeds candida. Also, try to stay away from gluten and all kinds of unhealthy bad grains. You have to remember, normal bread from the store is not normal bread anymore. Check out what is really in it. Also, stay away from bad oils. Sunflower, canola, vegetable oil, those are very, very bad oils. And this brings me to the next tip. You gotta eat more of the following foods: healthy fats, healthy proteins, meaning organic protein, and fiber-rich products. And then also you gotta drink a lot of water. Never use thick moisturizers in any area where you have acne or pimples, because they clog those pores and they just make things a lot worse. Again, your skin needs to breathe, right? So use lightweight products like gels and liquids or lotions. Use a gentle but effective water-soluble cleanser twice a day, because drying cleansers and harsh cleansers and scrubs or cleaning brushes, they just make things a lot worse. Try to avoid all types of bar cleansers, even if they claim to be soap-free, because those ingredients that keep the soap in a bar kind of form are actually the culprits that clogs your pores. Then, another tip, you're probably doing it right now. Stop touching your face. Take it off. Yes, we get into that habit, we do it without even thinking. You just go through the day and you touch it and you think, and well, you've been doing a lot of stuff with your hands, right? So it gathers dirt. So stop touching your face. Also, start to wash your hands a lot more, you know? So for those times when you do touch your face, at least your hands are cleaner. Now my last tip is, if you keep on struggling with acne and pimples, go and see a dermatologist and ask for some help. And hey, remember, all the products that I talked about in this video is in the video description down below, just to make it a bit easier for you to go and check them out and to do your own research. Now, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.